How to fix achievements not showing on Instagram. Any day you see your achievements not showing on Instagram, follow these steps. First of all, go to Play Store on your device. After that, search Instagram out there and check whether there is any update available or not. And if there is no any updates available, then just open the Instagram application. Click on open and your Instagram application will be opened. After that, you will see an interface like this. You will see the home screen like this, and you have to go to the profile section on the down right corner. After that, go to the three lines on the top right and go to the option of settings and privacy. Now you have to take care that in order to open the achievements, you have to change your account into the professional dashboard. In order to change your account into professional dashboard, just scroll down until you find the option of for professionals. After that, tap on the option of account type and tools. After that, you will see the screen like this. Go and continue. And after you tap on continue, you will see an interface like this. Now, what best describe you? Just tap on the icon which bestly describes you. Go to the next. Again, go to the next option of creator. And again, go to the next. Now tap on OK. And again, tap on continue. After that, you will see an interface like this. Now here are the various types of steps that you need to complete in order to set up your professional account. Now just see them and follow all of those steps. Now this way your account will be changed into a professional mode of the Instagram and your achievements will also be so.
Thank you for watching the video, and if you like our video, do not forget to subscribe our channel.